Waking up at Shangrila Lake to such a beautiful views is this lake all about. It's currently 8:30 and there is no sun, it's all clouds and the mountains are covered with the clouds and you can even see the shadow of the clouds in the lake. It's such a beautiful view that regardless how much you take it, the more you want. Right now we are on our way towards the breakfast, but the views are so amazing that we are literally walking 0.5 miles per hour. We don't want to walk because the views that are right in front of us, the mountains, the glaciers, the clouds are all breathtaking. Hoy, hoy, hoy. This is the beauty. देख तो सही जरा यार. What do you say?
Wow, there's something to say. It speaks for itself.
That's not mist, that's clouds.
That's clouds.
Isn't that beautiful?
I got 2 meteorologists over here. They know everything about the clouds. I'm genius. Genius.
The breakfast was not at all good. The kind of place it is, the kind of money they charge, according to that, I wasn't satisfied by the food. Not at all. Sorry people of Shangrila, you need to work on your breakfast. Right now we're doing a short hike after the breakfast towards the viewpoint behind the mountains of this Shangrila Lake. The hike is literally of 15 to 20 minutes. But because of our unfit bodies and lack of oxygen basically, I think it's going to take us more than 30 minutes. So if you ever come over here and if you plan to hike, you either better be fit, like a mountaineer fit, or you need some time to walk all the way up. Let me tell you a funny story about last night. Last night, around about 12 a.m., when everyone was asleep except my mom, someone knocked at the door of our cottage and said, like knock knock, and said open the door. In Urdu, the boy said kholo. My parents got so scared. My father wanted to go out, but my mom was stopping him. Long story short, that knock only happened once and the voice only said kholo once. Early in the morning I went to complain to the Shangrila people that who the hell was knocking at our door. They checked the cameras and one camera was right outside our house and the camera showed that there was literally no one around that time. 10-15 minutes before 12, 10-15 minutes after 12, literally no one was there. But we heard a knock, very strong, solid knock, that my dad literally woke up and a voice saying, open the door. Boy, that was kind of scary, but that's not important. Important is that we have reached on the top and these are the views.
क्या हुआ है?
Just for you guys, I crashed my drone in the mountain. Coming back.
आराम से देख के.
You better like and subscribe for all this effort. Right beside the viewpoint, there is another spot where the graves of the people who built this lake. This is the guy who built this lake, M. Aslam Khan, and the grave next to it is of his wife, Nawabzadi Farida Begum. And the views from this point are literally breathtaking. You can see the river over here, the rocks over here, the mountains over here. This place is like being buried in heaven before even going to heaven. Oh my God. May God bless them. We are done from this viewpoint and going all the way down now, but what an adventure, man. Almost lost the drone. Luckily, we didn't. What do you have to say about the drone adventure and the views?
Well, that drone adventure was making me very fearful for my wallet because I'd probably have to pay for a new one if we lost the first one.
But hey, look at my climbing.
You climbed like a star.
Yeah,
Mountain goat man.
I am a mountain goat man.
Yeah, I know.
See, what do you have to say about the views over here?
They are amazing.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
You want to live here?
Live here, I don't know. It's a little secluded for me, but so beautiful. Definitely worth coming and visiting. It's a bucket list item for sure.
True.
And this resort really is so nice and very affordable.
Yes.
So.
Plus, don't think that this is it. The next spot we are going to is the lake on Upper Kachura.
Okay, the bigger
And they say that's even bigger and more beautiful.
Okay, let's go.
Hopefully, we won't lose our drone over there.
Oh, I hope not. That'd be bad.
Yeah. Chal, 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 chal. Bhag, 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 bhag. We are all ready to leave this place, but this place is so calm, colorful and peaceful that we do not want to leave. But again, we have heard a lot of good things about the lake that is up above, the Upper Kachura Lake. So hopefully that lake will also be as beautiful as this one or even better than this. But for the timing, let me take in a short moment and enjoy this beautiful lake. Literally 15 to 20 minutes drive from the lower Kachura Shangrila Lake, but the cars cannot reach to the lake, so we have parked our car a little bit back, like 5 minutes away from the lake, and now we are walking. One thing is for certain, that you have to walk slowly and slowly due to high altitude, lack of oxygen, because you do get out of breath very soon.
It's just been 2 minutes.
Wanna pick me up?
The pit is slowing him down.
Hey, wait,
The
chhod,
motor
wait,
pit.
wait, chhod. No. After such a steep downwards hike, we're finally at the lake, and the colors of this lake are so beautiful. It's all green, surrounded by the Rocky Mountains, and on the top of the mountains are these beautiful white colored snow. Oh my God. And this is a natural lake. Wow, much more deeper and much more beautiful than the Shangrila one. beautiful lake. This is the Upper Kachura Lake. There are so many activities, like you can go for speed boating, the jet ski, the other simple boating and the pedal boating if you feel like doing it. But most likely this place is here for you guys to just come, relax, maybe have some food, because that's exactly what we did. We ordered some trout fish. The trout fish that they serve over here is the one that they catch directly from this Upper Kachura Lake. Let's see how tasty that trout fish would be, but for the time being I can't get over how beautiful this place is. If you guys are still enjoying, like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more of our journey and enjoy with us the road trip to the north of Pakistan. What do you have to say about that?
Ooh. It is the most beautiful lake I've probably ever seen. I don't know.
All green?
All green. The first one was nice too. The, what's it called? Adbad?
Shangrila Lake.
No.
Oh, the Atabad Lake.
Atabad was nice.
The Lexus one.
That was nice, but this one has such a nice color. And all those cones, right? Those are the
How
cones?
does Hassan do that? How does he say?
Chef's kiss.
Chef's kiss.
Salgo a caminar al sol por nuestro lago y por donde mire te veo en todos lados. Tantos recuerdos, cuánto hemos pasado. Ay, amiga, cómo te extraño. Ay, amiga, te extraño. En nuestro.
Welcome back, sir.
Thank you.
How about lake, man? Enjoy? All is organic herbal, local herbal. And this is dry farming, dry fruit. This is dry apple, dry apricot, and blackcurrant, and dry cherry also available.
How's that?
Very nice.
Enjoying the shopping?
Yes. Local shopping.
Local shopping. The trout fish was too good, and after that my wife wanted to see a local house, and guess what? The owner of the restaurant took us to show his house. How was the house tour that he gave you?
It was so nice.
Was the house modern or the way you expected it? How it was?
It was like typical like villager style house.
Well, it was a good one, right?
Modest, simple, good life though, you know?
Yeah.
They're living the good life.
It's in the mountains, fresh air, fresh
air,
food, everything
fresh-
is fresh.
Fresh air, fresh food, nice
Yes.
people, no stress, or I would say
Yep.
no stress.
The best thing is
That's
the
all.
people. The people over here are also too good. We shopped at two small shops and both the people were just amazing.
As
They-
much discount as they possibly could. They were very friendly. We talked about our lives back and forth.
yeah.
Took the one guy's business card.
Yeah.
So
So if you ever come over here, you have seen him. His name is Sharafat Hussain. Do buy something from him. He's a good guy. Now Upper Kachura Lake is also done and it's time to go back. Our stop will be Jaglot, which is almost again, which is almost, I'll say 4 to 4.5 hours away. Let's see how much or how fast can we do it. It's already 4 o'clock, so hopefully we can be in Jaglot before sunset. Yeah.
we'll see what we can do.
Right now we are on our way towards Jaglot from SKARDU while enjoying the apricot candy that we got from Sharafat Bhai's family member somewhere over there. And this candy is so amazing that when you come over here, I highly recommend you to try this. It's just amazing. Anyways, tomorrow we will be traveling from Jaglot towards Khaira Gali, and the route is Karakoram Highway, but a part of the Karakoram Highway is Pakistan's most dangerous highway. So hopefully you will enjoy that vlog too. But for the time being, like this video and share it with your friends and family and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next. Until then, apricot candy.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup.